In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe payment in Ecwid. Setting up payment systems can sometimes feel a bit intimidating, but with this guide, you'll have your Stripe payment method up and running smoothly in no time. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Ecwid control panel. This is where you'll manage all the details of your online store, including your payment systems. Accessing your control panel is the initial step to integrating Stripe with your store, enabling you to manage and process payments seamlessly. Once you're inside the Ecwid control panel, direct your attention to the main dashboard and look for the payment section. It's usually located in the left-hand menu, making it easy to find. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options related to how you can accept payments on your website. It's crucial because it allows you to set the foundation for Stripe integration and manage other payment options you might be considering. Now, within the payment section, you'll need to find and click on Payment Alternatives. This page provides an array of different payment processors you can choose from. Ecwid supports a multitude of payment gateways, including PayPal, Square, and of course, Stripe. By clicking here, you're one step closer to enabling credit card payments through Stripe. Next, look for the Stripe option in the list of payment alternatives and click on it. Stripe is known for its reliability and ease of use, making it a popular choice among online merchants. When you click on Stripe, this will initiate the process where you can configure it to work with your Ecwid store. At this stage, it's time to input your Stripe details. This step is crucial as entering accurate information ensures the integration works smoothly. You'll need to have your Stripe credentials handy. These could be API keys or other connection details provided by Stripe when you signed up. Make sure to enter everything carefully. If you're unsure about any specific field, you can refer back to your Stripe account for clarity. And that's it. Once you've entered your details, your Ecwid store should be all set to accept payments via Stripe. It's always a good idea to double check everything. Make a test purchase to ensure transactions are processed correctly, and confirm that everything is functioning as expected. Remember, having a reliable payment system is key to maintaining customer trust and satisfaction. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on setting up Stripe payments in Ecwid. I hope you found it helpful and feel more confident in managing your online store's payment options. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach